Hi everyone, it's Chloe from Bullet Journal by Chloe, and today I'm going to be showing you how to decorate one of the spreads in the daily agenda. So first of all, I'm going to show you how I use this. I have a little key here. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, but it's a thought that counts. I did it in. Next up, we have my calendar where I write all my dates down, and then I have a cover page for each month, and I try and match that with my bullet journal. This is the calendar page here. This is where I write down all important things for that month, like you do with a calendar, and then I have these really cute tabs on the side so I can differentiate between each of the months. Okay, so this is what one of the weeklies look like in this daily agenda. So it's very plain, not much to it, so let's jazz it up by using one of the sticker kits. So this is one of Archer and Olive's sticker kits. I have used a few of this before, but there's enough on here to fill this complete spread. So I'm going to start off by sticking down Monday through to Friday. I'm not going to do Saturday and Sunday because I use this for teaching in school. And obviously I don't teach on a Saturday and Sunday, so I use those two boxes for other things like planning next week or different to-dos. So this is what they look like. Look at the shine, absolutely love those. And then as you can see there showing, I'm going to swap those over to two other stickers. So I use this planner purely for to-do lists within my classroom. I will write down all the different things that I need to get done in that day on the planner, and I will then write if I have any other events going on so I know what I can plan to do for that day. So now I'm adding a washi tape to the end of each box, and this is a little hack that I worked out recently. I saw it on someone else's page, but you can actually use any kind of card or sharp object. I'm using the metal ruler here, and lay that next to the line where you want it to come off, and you can rip. 9 times out of 10 you'll get a complete dead straight line. You can see I got a bit of a wiggly line there, but that doesn't matter too much. This is perfect. It saves having to try and measure it out then sticking it back down. But yes, washi tape to match the theme. Again, this is an Archer and Olive washi tape, which is a really nice one, and it ties in with the theme really nicely. And this is how we're looking so far. So this is all the basics down. Now let's start adding decoration and jazzing it up a little bit. So as you can see there, I stuck that down a little bit wonky, and these stickers are great because you've got plenty of time to peel them back up and reshape where you want to put them. Later on, that moon that I've just stuck down there will be in my way, and I was able to peel it up and move it to where I needed it to be. So I'm just using some of the like decoration stickers from this pack just to add some more of the theme to the page, and then next we're going to go in with the really important stuff and start putting down information for the week that I need. So these boxes that I'm putting down you would normally use for like a habit tracking. I'm going to do the same, but just for classroom purposes. I'm going to put things like mark books, and this to-do box I'm going to have as a learning journey. Now this is a wall that we use to put up pieces of the kids' work, so I want to keep on top of that after every lesson. So now we're putting the important information down, I'm going to put this little tab down, and this is where I start writing in anything that's happening for the week, like any training, any events, things that I need to remember, which will help me write my to-do list so I can work out how much time do I have this day after the children have gone home. Do I need to be spending time doing other things? So I will just add these different tabs down to have a clear idea of how much time I have for the day. And it's also a good reminder for me as well, because I'll have this open on my desk and I can keep referring back to this to make sure I'm not forgetting anything during the day. So this is what it's looking like with all of the events for the day down. I've separated that off with a little to do, and now I'm just adding in some colour. You don't need to do this, I just want to add a little bit more colour to the spread by doing that. And as you can see here, I went a bit overboard and done loads of colour, but I'm still happy with it. And now I can go in and add my to-dos for each day. And that's it. That is how I decorate one of these spreads in my daily agenda and how I use it on a day-to-day basis. This is so handy to have if you have a full-on job and you need to keep on top of things. I highly recommend you start using a daily agenda or create one of these spreads in your bullet journal. It's super simple to do and it's so effective. Thanks guys for watching. If you decide to create any of this, make sure to tag me and Archer and Olive in any of your recreations, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.